And so it begins. Despite triple threats being every man for himself, history has shown that the match's dynamics can create unlikely alliances. A participant must be ready to endure double team attacks at any time. Quick takedown there. Side Russian leg sweep.
Oh, perfect form. Massive double foot stomp.
Got the head scissors of Biden.
Oh, man, that's just nasty. Vicious knees and kicks backhand. My goodness. Oh, man.
Raining down elbows. Clothesline. Kick to the gut.
Oh, brutal forearm.
Had it scouted. Not again.
One of these competitors is eventually going to have to gain the upper hand.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now. An impressive series of moves.
Looks like nobody's budging, Cole.
Neckbreaker. He's one step ahead there. Great technical know-how on display. Olympic slam!
Corey, would you agree that triple threat matches can lead to unexpected alliances?
Well, absolutely. Triple threats create circumstances that lead to interesting bedfellows, allies out of necessity. Eliminating the strongest entity so you can go one-on-one is a common game plan.
Oh, jeez. Take all the wind out of you.
Oh, impressive counter. It'll destroy your face.
Setting him up right where he wants him. Pulls the ripcord. Knee strike to the face.
How impressive was that reversal?
Wow, what a sequence.
Big reversal.
Neckbreaker. Nice amateur takedown. Out on the apron. Look at this power. Oh, wow.
Oh, flipping the script on him there.
Uh-oh, look at this. Inverted. Olympic slam. Oh, and another strong kick.
Really just laying it in.
Gets out of the way.
And fast.
Olympic slam. Rolling thunder. He weaves out of the way. Watch out here. And again, yet another counter. Running super kick. Someone just lost a tooth. Both wrists captured and pow!
That hit the spot. He's finished. That should be the final blow. To the back of the neck. Scottish sickle.
He is efficient and dangerous with his offense thus far. Keeping the pressure on. Reverses. Can he make him pay? Oh, had that well scouted. Oh, clothesline.
here. Leg lariat.
Saw that one coming.
What a series of strikes from one of the most prolific strikers in the game.
And he's heading back in.
Oh, right up there.
Perhaps he's thinking the ring can't contain what he has in mind here.
Uh-oh. Batten down the hatches. Someone should post that online.
Referee in position. Oh, my God, he's done it. He's done it.